Attention all altcoin holders and investors. This Sunday is going to be major. Mark your calendars right now. Why? Because altcoins are going to have a chance to do something that it's been trying to do for more than 1,500 days, and this Sunday could be the breakthrough, the final moment, the final hurrah of flashing this signal that it hasn't flashed in 1,500 days. It's been trying to, but it just hasn't flashed. If you're an altcoin holder, if you're an altcoin investor, you need to pay attention. This Sunday, absolutely major. And this signal that could be about to flash could change everything for altcoins. It's something that the market has been trying to do for over 1,000 days and repeatedly failing. We're going to talk about why this signal has failed before, what this signal is, and what it means for you. All of that and more. Let's jump into it. Welcome. I'm Steve. Here we deliver honest, sponsorship-free TA with genuine value. Subscribe for a no BS approach that actually helps you. Subscribe. Here we are. We are on the total market cap excluding Bitcoin, and we're on the 2-week chart. Everything that you see represented here are all of the altcoins on planet Earth in one beautiful chart. When you look at this beautiful chart, right away, you see this white line up here. This has been absolutely a devastating area of resistance for altcoins dating back to May 21. May 21, we came into this area and we were met with heavy resistance. We pivoted down. We had some accumulation. This area was bought up. And because it was bought up, it had another attempt at that same area. And once again, it failed. And after it failed, it crashed down even further. Because when you reach a level and you get rejected not once, but twice, it sends a signal to the market that there's a lot of profit taking here. And this is an area that's going to take some time to get used to. And that's exactly what happened to the altcoin market. When it crashed down to this beautiful white line here. What you see on this beautiful white line here is this has been a level of importance in the altcoin market dating back to July 17, because in July 17, we were met with heavy resistance at this level. And then once again, heavy resistance back in June 19 at this level, further resistance in August 20 at this level, and we finally broke through there, only to come crashing down as support, which is phenomenal. This market structure is phenomenal. And what you happen to see here is something called an ascending triangle. Now, you can find ascending triangles on any time frame, and they all mean the same thing. What I want you to know about an ascending triangle is, number one, it's generally very bullish. Number two, there is a level of resistance up at the top. It was met multiple times. And the stronger the ascending triangle, the longer period of time in between. In altcoins case, this is a really good sign because our original area of resistance was in 21, and now here we are in 24, 25, and current day seeing the same level of resistance. No hype, just facts. Subscribe and relax. Essentially, we have a multi-year period of resistance, and we have continuous higher lows. What does that mean? That means when we go low, we made a low here. Our next time that we went low, it was higher. And our next time again was higher, and the next time again higher. That is incredible strength. So altcoins fell. They fell to an area of what used to be our resistance, and now it's our support. We're continuing to make higher lows into this same level that's been absolute hell for altcoins. For more than 1,575 days, we've been getting rejected once again at this level. While everyone waited to buy Bitcoin under 10K, which never happened, I told you to buy at 15K, which ended up being the bottom. And I called for Coinbase to go from 50 to 500. But none of that matters if you don't know how to exit like a pro. Soon, I'm going to be releasing my personal exit strategy. Be ready. But Sunday could change everything. I need to tell you about the importance of Sunday and the significance to this. And I still need to tell you what this means for you, right? Because you may be watching this video and you're like, look, I love altcoins. I'm hoping to make crazy amounts of money with altcoins. I want to know more about what I should be doing. So I'm going to ask you and everyone else watching, comment right now your favorite altcoin and like one of the comments. I'm going to go through and I'm going to make a follow-up video to this with whatever the top picks were. Okay. But now I want to tell you what this chart means for you, because you're watching this video. You're like, okay, I get it. There could be some cool thing happening on Sunday. What is that thing? And then what happens next? What will happen to altcoins, in my opinion, based on this? So I want to walk you through the pattern first, and then we'll get into Sunday and all of the craziness that could be happening on Sunday, especially for the altcoin market. So when you look at it, you can say, okay, I get it. There's this line at the top. We got multiple touch points. Then we crashed down. We made these higher lows. Okay, that's a good sign. This is called an ascending triangle. Basically, resistance at the top, multiple touch points on the bottom acting as support as you continuously make higher lows. This typically breaks to the upside. The problem is we just haven't been able to get above this line. But take a look. As we zoom in, you can see this beautiful candle right here that printed last time we had a candle close. Keep in mind, this is a 2-week chart. So we're looking at this candle that actually broke through this white line. This is called our breakthrough candle. And on Sunday, this could be our confirmation candle. So what do I mean? I mean, this Sunday, when you see this candle close, we simply need to close above this white line. This white line is at about 1.56 trillion. If we have a close on Sunday above 1.56 trillion on Sunday 11:59 p.m. UTC time, and you look at this chart and we have the body of a close above 1.56 trillion, it will mean one thing and one thing only. It will mean altcoins have shown a signal that it's failed to show for the last 1,575 days. And for the first time ever, it has done this thing it's been trying to do for years. It will be a confirmation of said breakout, of this pattern that we have been in for multiple years. Leave a comment right now with the altcoin you want me to cover next. Make sure you like and comment on other people's comments so I know which one to focus on the most. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs. Trade like a tourist or go with the pros. The FFA is where the real ones go. Link in description.